as they pulled you out of the oxygen tent. You asked for the latest party in your silicone home and your tennis song. Dressed like a priest you was, top brown and streaky woods, crawling down the alley on your hands and knees. I'm sure you're not protected, motors plain to see. The diamond dogs are poachers and they hide behind trees. Hunt you to the ground they will, mannequins with killer bills. Here they come, I keep a friend serene. Here they come, oh baby come under me. Here they come, well she's coming and gone. Come out of the garden baby, you'll catch your death in the fall. A young girl, they call them the Diamond Dogs. Young girls, they call them the Diamond Dogs. Oh, now Halloween Jack is a real cool cat. He lives on top of Manhattan Chase. The elevator's broke, so he slides down the road onto the street below. Oh, Tarzy go and go, meet his little hussy with his ghost town approach. Her face is sans feature, but she wears a dolly brooch. Sweetly reminiscent, something mother used to make. Wrecked up and paralyzed, diamond dogs that save lives. They call them the Diamond Dogs. They call them the Diamond Dogs. In the year of the scavenger, the season of a bitch,